In the cold twilight of colonial Boston, tensions simmered, a city on the brink. The air was heavy with British occupation, taxes without representation, and a growing thirst for liberty. Among the defiant faces yearning for freedom stood Crispus Attucks, a man of mixed heritage, African and Native American, a runaway slave turned sailor. He carried the weight of personal struggle and the collective hope of a people. On March 5, 1770, a spark ignited. A confrontation escalated. British soldiers, their scarlet coats a vivid presence, faced an agitated crowd. Attucks stood at the forefront, his voice ringing out, a brave leader in the escalating turmoil. Then, a musket cracked. A life was extinguished. Crispus Attucks fell, the first to shed his blood in a struggle that would define a nation. The very first casualty of the American Revolution. His sacrifice, though sometimes overlooked, was a pivotal moment. It galvanized the colonists, turning simmering resentment into a fierce flame of rebellion. His name, etched in history, marks the true dawn of a revolution. He was not just a victim, but a catalyst, a symbol of the ultimate sacrifice for independence. Remember the name, remember the moment. Remember Crispus Attucks.